what happens when everyone has a role in decision making? So in your family, if everyone gets chance to tell something regarding main decisions, some decisions may be there, so you feel like a more important part of the family. Okay, so we feel that our decision or our opinion is valued. Just as we have role in making decisions in our family, we have also a role in public decision making. Public decision making means what? We are uniting together. For example, village level, Gram Panchayat is there. Then if you go to what? Taluka level, Panchayat Samiti, district level, Jilla Parishad, and at state level, state government is there, and central government is there. So we have many problems. We have to solve problems by uniting together. In newspapers, we read about matters requiring public participation. A few examples of such have been summarized below. So, see this one, citizens participating in municipal budget. In city municipal budget. Budget means what? The expenditure and income. It should be balanced. That is what we call budget. Citizens to decide the matters on which to spend the money. Money or whichever the government bodies, whatever it may be, they get money through different sources. For example, taxes may be there, aids, then loans, aids from center, state government, etc. So, this money should be spent on various aspects, on various schemes or various programs properly. For that purpose also, public decision is very important. Citizens crowd to suggest improvements to city development plan. If a city is there, when population is growing, and that time many problems are, housing may be there, water, electricity, then road transport, and regarding entertainment sources, for example, playground, railway station, bus stand, etc. So, citizens crowd, they gather together, they also suggest improvements to city development plan. Inauguration of road joining 6 villages. You know the 6 villages are joining. Joint effort by 6 villages bears fruit. That means if villages are connected through roads, so transport system is developed. If transport system is developed and villagers get opportunity to sell their whatever agricultural and other products, and they get market, and people also get local market to buy products. We feel the need of minor changes in our environment. It's our advantage that everyone has a role in making decisions about changes in our surroundings. The government we elect makes decisions regarding public matters. If we feel that a decision made by government is wrong, for example, sometimes we can't say that every decision made by the government is accepted by the people. We can register our opinion. So, if we don't register our opinion, we are not able to solve our problem. In this way, we can be a part of the decision making process. Okay.